Hi guys, my name is Olia and I'm really excited to see you today for a new video, and we're gonna talk about melt and pour soap. So today I wanted to make a nice soap with like a lavender smell and a nice color of like kind of blue and little lavender flowers. So for this soap you will need melt and pour soap, of course, lavender essential oil. I'm gonna put also a little bit of geranium essential oil, little lavender flowers, sorry. So I'm also gonna put blue oxide to give like the nice color. And that's all. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now that we are here, the first thing that we're gonna do is clean our workspace with rubbing alcohol. I'm also gonna do it with my tools, so here, and also the mold. There. Okay, now that all this is done, I just have to precise you something. I'm also gonna add oil. So I took grapeseed oil, but you can put whatever oil you want, like coconut oil or olive oil, I mean whatever. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is prepare my oils. So I'm gonna put 5 milliliters of grapeseed oil. I'm gonna put 80 drops of lavender essential oil. Okay, now I'm gonna put 16 drops of geranium. And now I'm gonna put 3 spoons of 0.5 milliliters of blue oxide. And now I'm gonna mix. So just gonna clean the spoon and let's go. Now that this is ready, I'm gonna prepare the soap. I'm gonna do 2 soaps, and so I will need 140 grams of melt and pour soap. Now that everything is ready, we're just gonna go to the fire to melt this and add this. So here we are, and we're gonna need to make this melt. Don't forget to also clean your spatula before using it in the soap. Okay, so now that it had well melted, we're gonna add the other ingredients. Now I'm ready. I have the mold here and the lavender here. So there we are. To avoid the bubbles, I'm gonna spray rubbing alcohol on the soaps. And there, no bubbles. This is magic. And now I'm gonna add a bit of lavender flowers. So now that we have finished here, I'm just gonna wait a few hours that the soap gets solid and then I will show you the results. So here we are 24 hours later and there are the soaps and they are solid. I think that I'm just gonna wait 24 hours more, like, okay, because 48 hours is a good time to wait that the soap get really solid when you do melt and pour soap. So yeah, but I'm going to show you the results and nice. And they smell so nice, look. They're really cute and they smell so nice. So the reason why I wanted to do those soaps is because first of all, I love the smell of lavender. So it's pretty nice because yeah, I can really enjoy the smell, and it's also because lavender essential oil, it's known to be smoothing the skin, so it's pretty nice. And I think that also for the face or the hands, when you have like in winter, like really cold, I don't know how to say it, but really cold on your hands, and so yeah, to just get it repair, it's pretty nice. So yeah, I'm really happy and I hope that you'll enjoy to do it also if you want to. And yeah, you can also comment me if you have like any question or if you have done it and what did you think about it. It would be so nice to share it. And okay, if you haven't do it yet, you can just subscribe here. It would be very nice to share with you the adventures of making your own cosmetics. And okay, so see you very soon for a new video, and of course take care. Bye bye.